Okay, so here's today's Tuesday recalibration tip for individuals. Just remember, recalibration doesn't begin with fixing or improving. It begins with noticing. So before we go changing habits, routines, or expectations, it helps us to pause and sense what's actually happening. A simple recalibration check might sound like this. What feels heavier than it used to? Where am I pushing through instead of moving with ease? What am I compensating for right now? Now, these aren't problems to solve in the moment. They're signals to pay attention to. Recalibration is about noticing changes in energy, load, or strain before they turn into exhaustion or overwhelm. So remember, nothing needs to be decided yet. No action plan is required. The value is in awareness. Because when you notice early, adjustments can be gentle instead of drastic.